Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious baked beans, with a product that's been winning hearts and taste buds for generations. That's right, folks. We're talking about Bush's Best 16 ounces canned original baked beans. These beans are not just any beans. They're a culinary masterpiece crafted with care and tradition. With options like original, barbecue, Boston recipe, and more, there's a flavor for every palate. And let's not forget about the convenient packaging, available in various sizes to suit your needs. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. NC Nana raves about the maple and cured bacon flavor, praising its freshness and versatility. Williams appreciates the convenience of the smaller cans, perfect for quick and easy side dishes. But what makes these beans truly stand out? It's all about the ingredients. Tender navy beans slow-cooked with specially cured bacon, fine brown sugar, and a signature blend of spices. It's a recipe that's been cherished for over 100 years. And let's not forget about the nutritional benefits. These beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, naturally low in fat, and gluten-free. With just 270 calories per cup serving, you can enjoy them guilt-free. Now, let's see these beans in action. Whether you're serving them as a hearty side dish or incorporating them into your favorite recipes, Bush's Best baked beans are sure to impress. From classic baked beans to mouth-watering casseroles and beyond, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with easy open packaging, you can enjoy them anytime, anywhere. So there you have it, folks. Bush's Best 16 ounces canned original baked beans, the ultimate choice for flavor, quality, and convenience. Pick up a can or two today and taste the tradition for yourself. Until next time, happy eating. This has been Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.